Leli qembu namuhla belihlola ukuqhubeka kwamalungiselelo enkundleni kumanje ubuholi be-EFF busesifundazweni ukuhlelela lolu suku lwangomgqibelo.
The fighters, all of you, there are no issues. We are ready. The commander-in-chief, all of you have seen him, is here in KZN. He's been here since last week. He's doing different community meetings. As we speak now, he's in Urizul meeting the students on Ongoye.
Unobhala waleli qembu Dlamini uphinde waveza ukuthi akukho nokuncane okuzothikameza izinhlelo zabo.
There's absolutely nothing that is going to disrupt or stop this unveiling of the People's Manifesto, because that's the only manifesto that matters in everything else politically that's going to take place in South Africa. The rest are waiting on the EFF to hear what the EFF is going to say, and I'm told others they are waiting to do copy and paste. It's okay.
Odabeni oluthinta ukumiswa kwabaholi beqembu ukuthamela inkulumo kaMengameli ebhekise esizweni, uDlamini uthi leli yitulo le-ANC ukubavala umlomo.
When it comes to the issues of the SONA, we know the ANC that they've sat on that kangaroo court where they are the complainant, but they are presiding and they are the judges. They do everything themselves.
uDlamini ukusho ngelikhulu iqholo ukuthi bazoyigcwalisa lenkundla njengoba belindele ukuthi amalungu abo atheleke eThekwini ngoLwesihlanu kusihlwa. Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape izosikhipha ngehora le-10 ekuseni kusasa isinqumo ngesicelo se-EFF sokuhoxiswa ukumiswa kwamalungu alo ayisithupha ekuthameleni isona khona kusasa.